Okay.
Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to do a drill, and this is going to teach you exactly how to use your legs. Because the second you start using your arms, I've noticed a lot of students, they just start lifting and using pure strength in their arms and they forget to use their legs. So I want you guys to perfect the movement with your legs before using your arms. And I think that's what's gonna make you guys do this position perfect, okay? So we're gonna be here, and the drill is going to be like this. I'm gonna get the hip grip. For now, we're just going to do it with the hip grip, okay? So we're going to grab the ankle. I can invert however I want. I go under. I'm here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat down my leg. I'm going to hold the leg. I'm going to let go of my arms like this. Now I'm going to pull her shoulder to me. I'm going to pull her shoulder to me. I'm going to beat down. And look how I'm able to bring her hip up. 1, 2, 3. And look, every time I lift, I want you guys to see something. I'm bringing her shoulder to me, right? But what I'm also doing is using this knee on top of her hip like this. Look at my knee. Let's move the change angles. Just pull me this way. Yeah. Again, one more time. Just move me one time. Yeah. So I lift. Look how I bring my knee under her body like this. This knee is sitting on her hip. Look how I'm sitting on her hip with my knee. Okay? So I'm here. So I go here. I scoot. I pull the shoulder to me. I scoot. 1, 2, 3. And I can use my hands to place her back down. But this is going to teach you how to lift her body. So 1, they're moving away. And how our objective when they post a hand is to keep scooting our hips to stay connected to them. Now what we have to do is, our whole goal is to, like I said, transfer their weight from all their body onto that forward hand or whatever, onto their hands. So then all their weight is on their hands. So that's our objective now when we're in this position. And basically what I'm going to explain now to do is the first Bolo, the first back take that you guys are going to learn. So we get here. I go to the ASIS on the bone right here. I'm going to control the ankle. I'm going to go under. And I'm going to start going here. And just like in the posting series before, she's going to try to move away. Here. She tried moving away, right? So I'm going to pull myself in. Again, bringing my knees up, moving my body in. So this inside leg is connecting my knee to her knee and beating down. I'm going to stop there, and I want you guys, this is the first part of the series that we'll do it with. I'll do it with the collar and everything else after. But I just want to start with the near hip series. We go to the ASIS. I grab the ankle. I go under using my shoulders, or however you prefer. So we're here. So like you just learned, this inside leg is beating down using the dorsiflex in my foot like this. Now, you're going to see this leg now. Look how I'm going to hook her shoulder. Again, using the dorsiflex because I can open my knee and use my knee. If my foot's like this, I'm going to try to lift. I cannot move her body. I hook her back with my toes like this. Now, I can pull her body to me with my foot. I'm going to not use my hands right now. Look how I'm able to use my foot on her back. And notice also how my knee line is below her hip. I can put pressure on her hip with my knee, like so, on her leg, on her knee and hip. You see this? Now I'm hooking her body and I'm lifting. And I'm showing you this without hands so you see how much I'm able to do this just with this back leg left. So here, 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 here. And I'm hooking her leg like this. Okay, so let's change sides. Under. Here. Both feet are in dorsiflex. Flex, flex. And I bring her shoulder to me. I'm bringing her shoulder to my body like this. Why is that? Because I'm putting all her weight on her hand. Look how all her weight right now is on her hand. This is my whole goal here. Because the more weight that's on her hand, the more her hips come up, that I can connect her hips to my hips. Just like you learned in the rules of Bolo, connecting her hips to my hips. So we're here. I beat down my leg. I bring her shoulder to me. Here. And now I can use my knee on her hip like this. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes. You instinctively post and you're trying to move your butt away from me. I scoot in and now I pull your shoulder up like this.